you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the CVS 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the cheapest advent calendar that I show you guys every single year is the Target advent calendar. They're $20 each for the 12-day. There's 3 different ones, all $20 each. And I did a video showing all 3 of them. Then I found out that CVS has some, and there was 2 different ones, both of them being a 12-day calendar. One of them, which is this one, was $24.99, so it's like $5 more than the Target one, 12 Days of Beauty. And it says that it has 3 full-size products and 10 minis. So there's a lot of minis in here. And then the other one is a 12 Days of Beauty, and it's $39.99. And that one has 8 full-size products and only 4 minis. So I definitely wanted to grab both of them. When I went to go see if my local store had them both, only one of them was available. So I just purchased them both online, and I was just waiting for them to show up. This one was delivered yesterday. So I went back to check the other one, and it said it was delayed. And then when I went to their website to see if they were still available, the other one, the $39.99, was not available, completely sold out for shipping, for pickup, for any of that, completely sold out. So I was like, I bet you I'm not gonna get it. So late last night, I got an email saying, sorry, we had to cancel your order because we do not have the quantity available. I'm like, okay, great. So I don't get to show you that one, and I really wish I could show you the difference between the two for an extra $15, having a lot more full-size products, but this is the one I get to show you. It's $25, so now we can see how it holds up against the $20 Target one. So let's go ahead and dive in. Enough of the talk. It is really cute because it looks like a book. It has like volume 1 and beauty. It looks like it would be like a book. So it's super cute packaging. All right, so let's go ahead and start with door number 1, which is going to be right down here. Ooh, so I'm not mad at it. We're starting off great with an EOS. I say EOS, but I've heard a few people actually say the word, but however you say it, I say EOS. This is the Shea Butter 24-Hour Moisture Hydration Lotion in Vanilla Cashmere. And I like this size because you can drop it down in your purse. I can leave them in my car, like in my center console. So if I ever need any, but that is a great size right there. Okay, so let's go with number 2. Oh, and they are in pretty much order going up. Ooh, oh, I got something that's cross-contaminated over here. And then we have this here. So this is the Monday shampoo, and I can see the conditioner is next. But you do have the shampoo, and that is a great size to use. And then in number 3, we will have the Monday Moisture Conditioner. I love that you do have both the shampoo and conditioner, so that's great. So then this number 4 must be, no, I don't know where this one goes just yet. Number 4, we have a cleansing water, and that's actually a great size too. So there's a cleansing water. So somewhere in here we are going to have this. One of them's going to be missing, and then we'll talk about that one. So number 5, it's that one. So number 5 is going to be, it is a teeth whitening strip, 1 application, and this is from SMILE. So you have 1 tooth thing right there to use to whiten your teeth. Now number 6. Number 6, we have a Maybelline Sky High Mascara. So that is a trial size right there. Number 7 is so tiny. Like, how do you even call that a door? Look at how teeny tiny. What is in there? What is this little thing? What in the world? This is by Burt's Bees. This This is Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Hibiscus. I have never in my life seen a mini chapstick like this before. It is so stinking cute though. I gotta give it that. It is adorable. I will probably lose this before I used it all. It's so tiny though. Oh my god, I can't get over how stinking cute and tiny that thing is right there. Like, have you seen anything smaller? Holy moly. I've never seen something so small. Number 8, we have a tiny nail polish. And it is a pretty pink color. I don't know if they're like sent at random, but I have like this pretty light pink color right here. That'd be great to put like in a little stocking stuffer. But this little, that little chapstick, I can't. Number 9, oh my goodness. We have Bubble Cloud Surf Water Cream Moisturizer. Ooh, it doesn't look like my top got put on correctly. If you see, that's like wonky. It's like, there we go. That was weird. Yeah, it wasn't on right. But I do love a water cream, that type of moisture, so I will definitely try this out. I'm really excited actually to try this one out. So that's 9. Let's go with number 10. Number 10. Okay, so I did have the same exact style in another calendar, and I put it in my advent calendar giveaway that I did. I have tons of them already myself. Solid colors. I have the Galaxy one because I love the Galaxy. I have that. My friend even got me the Nightmare Before Christmas set that has the 7 of them. So I have makeup erasers and I use them every time I take my makeup off with a cleansing balm. So I will gladly put this in a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy the makeup erasers. Wash it first in the washing machine before you use it, and then it works wonders. I don't know how makeup eraser came up with whatever is in these little fibers to take your makeup off without any type of a cleanser, but it works and I love them. I can't say that enough. So I will definitely share that with you guys so you guys can try them out as well. So now down in day number 11, we have a Base Matte Primer Grip by e.l.f. So you have that sample to try out. And then the last and final day number 12, we have, hold on, oh my goodness, they are makeup patches to give you gold freckles. I have enough freckles. I don't need gold freckles, but I do think maybe one of our nieces would like to play around with that and use that, or I will put it in a future giveaway for one of you guys to play around with. But you see the gold freckles right there? That is so cool. So this one, again, $24.99, basically $25. You have these gold freckles. You have a mini primer grip. You have this moisturizer, the smallest Burt's Bees product I've ever seen. You have the nail polish, the cleansing water, the mascara. You have the teeth whitening strips. You have the lotion, the shampoo and conditioner, ooh, and the makeup eraser. All right, you guys, so that is everything for the smaller 12-day beauty advent calendar by CVS. Did you know that they even made them? Were you clueless like me until now? Definitely let me know. Did you grab one? Did you get the other one? Was the other one better with more of the full-size products and less minis in that one? Definitely let me know down below. I would love to hear from you. If you want to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is Shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.